In the world of accounting software, a fundamental distinction exists between online, often referred to as cloud-based, and desktop applications. This difference isn't merely technical. It significantly impacts how you manage your finances, collaborate with your team and accountant, and access your critical business data. For those looking into FreshBooks, a popular choice for freelancers, self-employed individuals, and small businesses, a common question arises. Is FreshBooks online or desktop? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you with certainty, FreshBooks is primarily an online, cloud-based accounting software. This means that FreshBooks operates entirely over the internet. You access your account, manage your invoices, track expenses, and run reports through a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge on any device with an internet connection. There's no software to download, install, or update on your computer in the traditional sense of a desktop application. The cloud advantage. Why online is the standard. The shift from desktop software to cloud-based solutions has been a defining trend in the accounting software industry over the past decade. This isn't just a technological fad. It brings a multitude of practical benefits for businesses of all sizes, especially the smaller ones that FreshBooks caters to. Here's why FreshBooks' online nature is a significant advantage. Accessibility from anywhere, anytime. This is perhaps the most compelling benefit. Because FreshBooks lives in the cloud, you can access your financial data from anywhere in the world, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. Whether you're at your home office, a client site, a coffee shop, or even on vacation, your books are just a few clicks away. This flexibility is invaluable for busy entrepreneurs and those who frequently work on the go. Real-time data and collaboration. With FreshBooks Online, your financial data is always up to date. When you send an invoice, record an expense, or receive a payment, that information is immediately reflected in your account. This real-time visibility allows for instant insights into your cash flow and profitability. Crucially, it also enables seamless collaboration. You can invite your accountant or bookkeeper to access your FreshBooks account, allowing them to work directly on your books without needing to send files back and forth, reducing errors and saving time. Automatic updates and maintenance. Forget about manual software updates, patches, or version control issues. FreshBooks handles all the technical maintenance on its servers. New features, security enhancements, and bug fixes are automatically rolled out, ensuring you're always using the most current and secure version of the software without any effort on your part. No installation or hardware requirements. Since FreshBooks is web-based, you don't need to install any heavy software on your computer. This means you don't have to worry about compatibility with your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, processor speed, or storage space. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a web browser. Enhanced data security and backups. This is often a surprising benefit for those new to cloud software. Reputable cloud providers like FreshBooks invest heavily in robust security measures, including data encryption, secure servers, and regular backups. Your data is typically far more secure in their professional data centers than it would be on a single computer or local server, which is vulnerable to hardware failure, theft, or natural disasters. Cost-effective subscription model. Instead of a large upfront purchase for software licenses, FreshBooks operates on a subscription model, software as a service SaaS. You pay a monthly or annual fee, which typically includes access to the software, customer support, and all updates. This makes it more affordable for small businesses, as it converts a large capital expenditure into a manageable operating expense. What about a desktop experience? While FreshBooks is fundamentally an online platform, it offers a desktop-like experience through a couple of avenues. Dedicated mobile apps. FreshBooks provides robust mobile applications for both iOS and Android devices. These apps are essentially tailored versions of the online platform, allowing you to manage your accounting on the go directly from your smartphone or tablet. You can snap photos of receipts, send invoices, track time, and check your business's financial health, all from your mobile device. This offers the convenience of a desktop application, but with the added benefit of mobility. Web-based interface optimized for desktops. The primary FreshBooks interface, Access through your web browser is meticulously designed to be intuitive and efficient on larger screens. It looks and feels like a well-designed desktop application, offering easy navigation, clear layouts, and quick access to all features.